This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Google Maps using an iOS device. I'll be using an iPhone SE. Let me jump over to Google Maps here. Okay, I'm in Google Maps now. To enable dark mode in Google Maps, the first thing you want to do is go up to your icon in the upper right hand corner and select it. Now you'll go down to where it says Settings and select that. Now once in Settings, toward the bottom you'll see it says Using Maps Dark Mode. You want to hit that arrow off to the right hand side there, and then you want to switch it on. Now when I go back, you'll see it's in dark mode now. That's how you turn on dark mode using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.